Welcome to HGNR Steno classes. Today newspaper dictation start. With these decisions, almost all economy activities have been allowed in the capital, although schools will remain closed until the government is assured about safety of students. Stop. This makes Delhi one of the most open cities in the country, with the government pushing for revival of the economy. Para. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal had proposed opening of cinema halls and all weekly market at Tuesday. DDMA meetings. Stop. Now all the weekly market of Delhi can function. Only 2 markets per day per zone were allowed to function till now. It will bring major relief to the poor. Stop. The cinema halls will also open from October 15. They will be required to follow the central government issued guidelines. Kejriwal tweeted, "Per cinema halls have remained closed since the beginning of the lockdown in March, causing huge financial distress to owners." Stop. Their reopening will also revive many jobs in a big way. Next. No economic activity will, however, be allowed within the city's COVID-19 containment zones, currently 2,702. The situation of COVID-19 in Delhi has been reviewed, and it has been decided that cinemas, theaters, multiplexes may be permitted to open as prescribed in the Ministry of Home Affairs September 30 order, and all weekly markets may be permitted to function in Delhi except in containment zones, said a DDMA order signed by Chief Secretary Vijay Dev Pera. Kejriwal has said that Delhi is past the peak of the second COVID-19 wave that hit the city towards the beginning of last month. It reached its peak by the middle of last month, and authorities believe it has been tamed with aggressive testing and treatment. Stop. Delhi conducted more than 60,000 tests daily for days. One on Wednesday, 51,505 tests were conducted and 2,871 people found infected, with the positivity rate being 5.57. The positivity rate has been continuously falling since mid-September. Next para. The cinema halls must follow the 6 feet distancing norm outside the auditorium and in common areas and waiting areas at all times. Ensure mandatory use of face cover. Make hand sanitizer available in touch free mode at all entry and exit points, facilitate their mall screening of visitors, make seating arrangement in compliance with social distancing rules by properly making the known to be occupied seats stages stop